Men, habol!
And in lane 6, Rebolado, Charlene Ann, College of Nursing. Announcing the winners for the event 6, Women 50-meter butterfly. In third place, Rizalo Gamalian, School of Nutrition and Hospitality Management. Second place, Santos Kyra, School of Dentistry. And in first place, Dilasan Edsen, School of Science and Technology.
Gini, takbo! Men, takbo na! Okay lang yan. Ah. Kaya ba ito? Joanna, saan yun?
Yung isang teammate.
Ah.
Joanna ba?
Hindi ako marunong patay dyan eh.
Sige, Joanna.